Okay, once we've unpacked munition, we've had a preliminary assessment that says that all the air is clear by the monitoring over there. Now here we're monitoring here as well, and also over waste drums, which I'll get to in a second. The round is brought up here. Real quick.
Before it's brought up here, obviously the door will be down.
Yes.
And the neutral, the vapor things will be on.
Yes.
Sight on the air. So this will be essentially, it will be closed to the outside environment whenever that round comes out of the MRC.
Correct. The item is brought up here. This is a single setup. These are all inert, so these are mock rounds, mock explosives right now. But we use explosives only to access the munitions fill. The explosives that we use, which are these charges right here, these are linear shaped charges, basically what they're designed to do is merely to cut the round open so that we can access it. And then we have a treatment process. It's chemistry. We are using chemical reagents pumped inside the EDS to neutralize the chemical warfare material that's inside. The explosives are merely a cutting charge to open it up. Once these explosives have been placed on here, the item is, this whole assembly here is placed inside. This all goes out at the end of the operation as hazardous waste. It's consumed for each operation that we use. We'll have the top that goes on top, and this is called a fragment suppression system. And why we use this is that there will be fragments generated during the detonation. The reason for this is to protect the inside of the vessel from damage as well, because it's repeated over and over and over, so and it's costly to replace. So this is why we're using these. This is a whole lot cheaper than replacing the vessel. Once the item its whole assembly is loaded in, we close the door, the clamps are pushed shut, the nuts are turned, we put approximately 5,000 pounds per square inch of hydraulic pressure on this clamp, which essentially seals the door. Before we even proceed any further towards detonation, we pump in high pressure helium, and then we have a means to check to make sure that the door was sealed properly, to make sure that nothing's coming out after detonation. And then we have checks whether the door seal has been done properly, and if so, we proceed. If not, we'll open it back up, reseal it, and we have all the means to do either scenario, obviously safely here on site. Once the door is sealed, we have these. This has already been affixed to our high voltage detonator. A wire will be attached here, and through approximately 5,000 amps, will detonate remotely using an electrical charge, where these detonators will operate simultaneously and slice the munition in half, open it up. Once the detonation has occurred, then we will pump in neutralizing chemicals from our supply tanks straight inside the vessel. So the important part is once the door is sealed, the reagents are added, everything goes in and out, nothing, the door does not come over. Everything is happening inside the vessel. Okay?